I'm a student from the Department of Meteorology at Penn State, and here at the AMS conference we're presenting our poster about our television show called Up in the Air. It is a show about the climate and weather enterprise produced solely by students in the Department of Meteorology at Penn State. It's a weekly 15-minute broadcast that airs on the local television channel in central Pennsylvania and also on the campus channel at Penn State. There are three parts to our show. The first is weather communications, second is climate science, and third is weather risk. It's a unique show in that it doesn't provide a day-to-day weather forecast, but instead focuses on what students are doing in class and what our TV students are learning in class as well. So for weather communications, there are a number of opportunities for students at Penn State to obtain experience in weather communication. The first is through our campus weather service, which is the largest student-run weather organization in the nation on the collegiate level. But this television show offers an opportunity for students that may not be interested in TV or weather forecasting necessarily to get experience in communication. Each episode there are 3 hosts to the show, and each week we rotate. One week one of us will provide an extended climate outlook using the Weather Prediction Center's forecast and looking at some of the climate models for an extended 8 to 14 day outlook for temperature and precipitation, and we relate that to what's going on with weather risk and climate as well. Climate science is a big part of the show. Students from Meteorology 470, which is Penn State's climate dynamics class, are given the opportunity to create a video for a grade for the course, and that video is also presented on our show about anything from the ITCZ to how climate works with winter and El Nino and La Nina and different teleconnections and things like that. Weather risk is a big part of the show as well. Weather risk is essentially consulting, meteorologists consulting businesses and insurance companies on what weather may imply in terms of losses and whatnot. And on our show, each week we present what's known as the risk report, where students who are meteorology students focused on weather risk come on the show and they discuss what current weather news is and weather risk. So for example, one recent show, one of our students talked about the California drought and how that's impacting farmers and how it's impacting the power supply and what the implications may be down the road if things don't change in California and if the drought doesn't end. So this is a unique show that provides an opportunity for students that are in courses at Penn State to get experience in communication and really to showcase their work to the general public. This is also posted on the internet, on YouTube. We're also on Facebook and Twitter, and we invite you to follow us there, Up in the Air PSU.